Wow, your summer glow up has you looking fire. Many are shocked about your transformation. You do look absolutely amazing. I can just picture it. Your aura is bright. Your confidence has risen. You are just looking amazing. Your skin's glowing. You're looking fit. You're looking healthy. You're looking absolutely delicious, my darling. Yeah, on the real though, a lot of people are just in shock about your transformation. Some of you have been going to the gym, some of you have been lifting weight, some of you have gained weight, some of you have lost weight. And I just feel like you're just in a new phase in your life where you're feeling more happier. Maybe you change your diet, maybe you change your circle, maybe you are doing your hobbies, you're feeling great. Maybe some of you are winning competitions, etc. You've been training and you want to look good when you're performing, right? But I feel in general that you have come out looking absolutely amazing. And I feel like a lot of people are taken aback by this newfound confident version of you. People are like, wow, you see her body's banging. People may ask you, like, what do you eat? What do you drink? And you're like, I've literally just been drinking water, minding my own business, and cutting out whatever you cut out, right? I'm hearing for some of you cutting out dairy, cutting out chocolate, cutting out big meals, or whatever the case is, and just training. But I just feel like overall, you just look absolutely amazing, and it's coming from within. Like the love that you have from within is exuding outwardly. If you are a male, some of you have shaved your beard off or shaved your beard, or some of you have had a new haircut. Some of you have given up drinking beer or something of that sort, and you're looking amazing. Your skin is glowing, and you've, started drinking more water, and you have coffee now instead of, having beverages, and you're just feeling more lighter, you're more happier, and people are just like, wow, like they've literally changed. And yeah, people can see this. I feel like your energy is transforming, or it has transformed. It's more high vibrational. You were high vibrational before, but I feel like your skin is glowing, and many people are drawn to you. They were drawn to you before, but they're drawn to you even more now. It's like you have a very, very strong solar plexus anyway, and a lot of people can sense when you're in an environment. A lot of people find you to be very magnetic, and some people are trying to work you out. Like, some people may feel like they're plain in comparison to you. Like, I wonder what, they've been doing, what type of magic they've been doing. Some of you have been doing subliminals, right? But you've got these, negative Nancy's that may feel like you're too much of a show off. Why are you trying to take the attention off them, or they're more better than you because they're more intelligent. You just use your looks, but you haven't got as much money as them, and I've got more money, I've got more wealth. And it's like, you're spiritually rich and they're spiritually broke. Doesn't matter about that. And the thing is, how you look, how you feel from within is shining outwardly. Again, some of you literally have had a glow up, like you've transformed the way that you look. You're looking more confident now. There's an energy of regalness. There's an energy of royalty. When people see you, they do stare. They do, stand to attention. People do look at you and think that, okay, who is he? Who is she? Like, and many people want you to hide yourself, and you will be getting a lot of admirers. You will be getting a lot of people maybe trying to chat you up, and certain people are going to be all up in their head about this new glow up now. Certain people may want to compete with you. Certain people are going to be